Hey guys, we're going to work on a little bit of um, expanded notation and expanded form today. So remember when we did this before, we called it expanded form. It's the same idea, but I also talked about digit times place. And I repeated it, digit times place, because every number that you have here, you're going to put the digit times the place. All right, so for number one, we've got a 4 here. All right, then we're going to say times the place that the 4 is in. The 4 is in the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So I'm going to put 4 times 1,000. And sometimes writing with these markers, it's really hard. So bear with me. Okay. I'll put these in parentheses and then I'll do the next one. Okay. So then I'm adding to that the 8. So parenthesis 8. If it will let me write it. It's not letting me write the 8. Maybe I'll change colors. See if that helps. All right. There we go. The 8 times the 8 is in the ones, tens, the hundreds place. All right, 8 times 100. Yes, it's an ugly 100. Parenthesis. Okay, then I'm looking at the 3. Okay, so now I have a 3. All right, 3 times the 3 is in the tens place. 10. Okay, then I'm looking at the 2. Okay, so I'm adding the 2. All right, the 2 is in the ones place. So I'll put a 1. Every now and then it doesn't want to work, so I got to change colors. So let's change this color up a little bit. Try the 1. There we go. Okay. And then after that, we're into the decimal places. Now I ran out of space. I usually would put it on the same line. I'm just going to come down a little bit and do it down here, but you'll just have it on the same line if you can. All right. So now I have a 5. All right. And that 5 is in the tenths place. Now we've done decimals and we've done fractions for the tenths. Okay. So right here, you could put either a, oh, this should be a time sign. I'm sorry. Okay, so for here, you can either put 1/10 as a decimal or 1/10 as a fraction. The answer key has it as decimals. I'm going to do it as a fraction. All right, just because I want you to get to see both ways. And this is, again, not letting me draw. So let me try another color. Sorry for that. Okay, 5 times, and it's in the tenths place, so I'll make it 1/10. Okay, put that in parentheses. All right, and then I'm adding on the next digit, which is the 2. Okay, and the 2 is in the hundredths place, so I'm going to put 1/100th. All right, and then parenthesis, and the last digit we have is an 8. Okay. Okay, the 8, sorry about that, is in the thousandths place. All right, so I'm going to do 8 over 1,000. All right. Just does not want to work with me right now. Sorry about that. Let's change colors again. See if that helps. Looks like it does. Okay, so then that would be that number in expanded form. It's a lot. It's lengthy, but again, if you just remember digit times place, that every single time you should be fine. Okay, so now when we go down here for writing the number in standard form, we're kind of doing the opposite. We're saying the 4 is in the thousands place. So I'm going to start with a 4 in the thousands place. I know after the 4 should be the hundreds. So that means it needs to be a 4 in the hundreds place. And I look at the tens. There's a 1 in the tens place. And a 2 in the ones place. Okay, so now I'm getting into the decimals. So I'm going to put a decimal here, which is hard to do with a pen, but I'll try to change the color and make it clearly a decimal there. Okay, that's the best I can do for a decimal. Sorry, guys. Then we have a 3 in the tenths place, a 2 in the hundredths place. I'll put a 2 here, and then an 8 in the thousands place. So 4,412 and 328 thousandths. Sorry, down here doesn't look that neat, but we're running out of space, and I kind of did the best I could do. All right, guys. If you have any questions about this, just send a post and in the comments, and I will help you as best I can. Sorry for the messiness. I'm doing my best, guys, trying to help you out. All right. Have a great day. Take care.